Home Remedies presents the best immune stimulant homemade syrup ever. Hi friends, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Yes, I'm Rabia and back again today with an amazing and excellent must-have home remedy that I suggest everyone should use. So let's start. Guys, I will tell you this is such a wonderful remedy that should always be kept available at your homes. For the maintenance of good health and preventive measures, it is great. It comprises of 3 main ingredients: apple cider vinegar, garlic and honey. All of the ingredients possess numerous health benefits, and in this mixture, a synergistic effect improves the properties of each. The honey must be raw, unpasteurized and preferably organic honey for all the benefits to be realized, and the apple cider vinegar must be unfiltered. The honey available in the supermarkets will not be suitable as it is pasteurized one, which is done for a faster packing process. Being an immune stimulant remedy, it leads to fewer colds and infections and is helpful in conditions such as gout, arthritis and joint aches. It also helps in lowering the blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It is a great tonic for weight loss, skincare and digestive tract issues. In short, it is beneficial for a wide range of conditions in general and enhances the immune system of the body. Ingredients: 1 cup 200 ml of unfiltered, unpasteurized organic apple cider vinegar, 1 cup 200 ml of raw, unpasteurized honey, 8 cloves of fresh garlic, small piece of ginger. This is optional. Instructions: mix all the ingredients into a blender and mix at high speed for 45 to 60 seconds. Alternatively, you can put the garlic in first, blend well so it becomes very fine. After that, add in the honey and apple cider vinegar and blend for another 10 to 15 seconds. Pour the mixture into an airtight glass jar or container. Leave in the refrigerator for 5 days with the occasional stir every day. After 5 days, the mixture is ready. Variations: a small amount of ginger, 1 or 2 inch length, and some cayenne pepper, 1 small to medium sized pepper, can also be added. Dosage: the normal dosage is 2 teaspoons in a glass of water daily, first thing in the morning. The mixture is very strong and should not be taken directly. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.